Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an installation video for these new Meso Customs 4Runner hatch lights. This 4Runner behind us already has some upgraded lights from Diode that are a great upgrade from the OEM halogen lights, but these will take us to the next level. One really cool big thing about the difference between these and the Diode Dynamics ones is these have a multicolor option. These can either be white or red. The really cool thing about having a red light option is red light doesn't affect your night vision. It doesn't attract mosquitoes or bugs when you're out summer camping. When you are exposed to white light, it can take up to 2 hours for you to restore your night vision. So having a red light option on these back hatch lights will be perfect for camping. Okay, so what you'll really need is a pry tool of some sort and a screwdriver. That's basically it. So what you're gonna wanna start doing is prying this edge right here, and the lens will come off, and then we'll take out the rest of the housing. I like to work one side out first and then pull it down, and then there's a clip right on this side. You're just going to push that down and the whole housing will come out. Here we're going to start by removing this screw. So now we're going to put our Meso Customs black one on. We start by just sliding that in right there, turning the whole housing around, and then relining up your metal piece with the hole on the back side. Just remember, you don't want to tighten it too tight. Okay, as soon as you get that black piece installed, you'll put your Meso light on. You're going to start by taking this back piece and plugging it in right back here, just like this, in between these two little metal brackets. Make sure that that's firmly in place, and then you just make sure the wire stays tucked and that it doesn't fall down. Go ahead and slide this into place and it will click. And now it's ready to be reinstalled in the truck. So just like we removed it, we're going to replace this plug right back into this light housing just until it clicks. And then you'll go ahead and place the whole light itself back up into the hole until it clicks. Okay, so you're now going to want to repeat the process that you did on this side to the other side. So there is a right and a wrong way to put on this button that slides. There's a little groove that needs to be on the bottom. For some reason, you get it like this and it won't move at all. You just have to take it, unscrew the back a little bit, and rotate it 180 degrees, and it'll work again. Okay, and with those few simple steps, you have brand new lights on the hatch of your 4Runner that has multiple different color modes. I love these. I can't wait to hit the trail and use these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and let us know what other installs you'd like us to do. Have a good one.